Happy Saturday, everyone, on this final weekend of winter. Yeah, we are going to say goodbye to winter and hello to spring on Tuesday, late in the day on Tuesday. For those in Central Time, it's going to be at 10:06 in the evening. So as many of you are settling into bed, who will be welcoming in spring. But you know what? It is not going to feel like spring over the next couple of days. Yeah, today's going to be great. But you know what? As we go through the next, starting on Sunday, things start to cool off. And look at Monday, stuck in the 40s, may not get out of the upper 30s for some of you for most of the day. That's well below normal. It's going to take until Wednesday for us to start to get back above normal. And then as we look 6 to 10 days out across the tri-state, Climate Prediction Center saying equal chances of above or below normal temperatures. So we're in good shape. No massive heat waves or cold snaps after this glancing blow of some Arctic air that we're going to see. It's going to be pretty short-lived, which is certainly good news. Also short-lived this morning will be some patchy dense fog, especially in the river valley, so keep that in mind. Rest of the day looks great with very comfortable temperatures, but clouds slowly on the increase ahead of our polar front that's going to be sliding in our direction. Now the good news is, as the front makes its passage tonight and into early Sunday morning, it is expected to be dry, so little if any precipitation should be associated with it. Could there be a sprinkle or a brief shower? Possibly, but that would be the exception rather than the norm, and you can see all of that cold polar air that will be infiltrating the area. The Futurecast will show you that difference in temperatures. Notice today at noon, upper 50s to around 60. Really not a bad day. This evening also looking great, just a couple of high passing clouds. Here comes that front. By tomorrow morning, notice winds are back out of the northwest, and by tomorrow morning, as you're headed to church, basically all of us are stuck in the 40s with a stiff northwesterly wind. But not today, upper 60s, well above average for this time of the year. Great day across the entire tri-state, nothing to worry about. Some locations west of Kentucky Lake could flirt with 70 degrees, and not too bad tonight. But as I show you the extended forecast, notice here a Sunday night into Monday and Monday night into Tuesday below freezing, especially Monday night into Tuesday, could see a hard freeze. So you may have to cover up any vegetation that started to bloom. But the rest of the week looks pretty nice with above average temperatures.